Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about another holiday set, and technically it's from drugstore but I got it from Ulta. It's from the brand called Physicians Formula and it's set of their entire collection of liquid lipsticks. So that's how this set looks like, and it says on the set that its value is around $60, but I think I got it for $15, and then I have some coupons which I used and I was able to get it for $11. So guys, for $11 getting the entire shade range of their liquid lipsticks is like a steal. So I don't know if it's still available on Ulta's website, but I think this set was online only. If I find it there, I'll link that in the description box below. And that's how the set looks like, and it also comes with a lip transformer, and I think it's a strobe kind of lip gloss which would change your matte lipstick to metallic or like glossy one. So I'm not sure at this moment, but that's how the set looks like. So here you are getting 13 of their long wearing liquid lipsticks and one transformer shade, and all of these liquid lipsticks are mini sizes. So yeah, that's that, and I'll start with showing you swatches for each and every shade in here, and then I'll be giving you my views on this set and wrapping up this video. So without wasting more time, I would like to start with the swatches. So guys, this is up close view of the tube, and this lipstick is called Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So that's how the tube looks like, and that's how the applicator looks like. It's a diamond shaped doe foot applicator with a hole in the middle which holds product so that you don't have to dip back the wand again and again. So that's how it looks like. Guys, here is full size a lip transformer, and the shade is opalescence. You can see right here. I'll show you how it looks like. The wand is similar wand which was on the liquid lipsticks, and here is the swatch, so you can see how it is. It has like a pinky reflects in it. I would not like to wear it over my lipstick right now, but that's how the swatch looks like. Welcome back, guys, and those were all the swatches for all 13 liquid lipsticks in this set. And if you guys couldn't get your hands on this set, that's perfectly okay, because all of these lipsticks are in their permanent collection. So treat this video as a swatch video for their entire range, and if you like any of the color, you can go grab it yourself. Formula wise, this is amazing. I find the formula is more like gel like, and I couldn't smell anything out of the formula or anything. It's not sweet smelling or chemically smelling or anything like that. Most of the swatches were like just one dip into the tube, and they were like full on colors. Most of the darker shades left stain on my lips, and my lips are like really burning right now. And the shade I have on, this shade was particularly patchy out of all the 13 shades I have. And the lip transformer is again a glossy kind of finish. It's just a gloss to wear on your liquid lipstick. So those were my views on these liquid lipsticks. In my opinions, they are like worth trying out. They have a lot of color payoff, and formula is very comfortable and wearable. There is no odd scent in it, and I don't know price point wise what they sell at individually, but if you get your hands on this set, this is like amazing value. I mean, you will get to try entire range for just $15. So I'll put the link and everything in the description box below for you to try them out. And so guys, those were my opinion on this set. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.